Are you experiencing problems with your Ambler, Pennsylvania home's asphalt shingle roofing? Here's what you can expect from the roof repair process. Your Montgomery County roofing contractor will thoroughly inspect your roof to identify your specific issue and anything else you may be unaware of. The contractor should be able to help you with your insurance company to negotiate a claim, making the process much easier than trying to handle it on your own. After negotiations are complete, the contractor will draw up a written contract containing all project details. You'll need to ensure it has everything listed and that nothing was only verbally agreed upon. As the day for repairs approaches, you'll need to prepare your home by removing things from your walls and ceiling that could fall and break. In addition, anything that's movable around your home's exterior must be moved. When the roofers arrive, they'll address everything found in the inspection and conduct a final walkthrough with you. Before they leave, they'll thoroughly clean up the work site. If you need reliable roof repairs in Ambler, Pennsylvania, turn to Baines Roofing. Call us today at 215-855-ROOF for a free estimate.